Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Rocket Money. I've been using Rocket Money for a few months now, and I've been really impressed with it. I've saved a lot of money on interest and fees, and it's made my finances a lot more organized. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how does Rocket Money make money? I'll also talk about my experience with Rocket Money and how it's helped me save money. How does Rocket Money make money? Rocket Money makes money in two ways. Interest. Rocket Money offers a credit card that pays you 1.5% cash back on all purchases. This cash back is then deposited into your Rocket Money account. Rocket Money also offers a high-yield savings account that pays you 2.25% interest. This interest is also deposited into your Rocket Money account. Fees. Rocket Money charges a monthly fee of $5.99. This fee covers the cost of using the Rocket Money app and website. My experience with Rocket Money. I've been using Rocket Money for about 6 months now. I've saved over $1,000 in interest and fees. I've also been able to consolidate my debt and get a lower interest rate. I've found Rocket Money to be a very helpful tool. It's made my finances a lot more organized, and it's helped me save a lot of money. How Rocket Money can help you save money. Rocket Money can help you save money in a number of ways. Here are a few of the benefits. Get a lower interest rate on your debt. Rocket Money can help you consolidate your debt and get a lower interest rate. This can save you a lot of money over time. Save money on fees. Rocket Money charges a monthly fee of $5.99. This is much cheaper than the fees that you would pay if you were to use multiple credit cards and bank accounts. Earn cash back on your purchases. Rocket Money offers a credit card that pays you 1.5% cash back on all purchases. This can help you earn money back on your everyday expenses. Track your spending. Rocket Money can help you track your spending so that you can see where your money is going. This can help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Set financial goals. Rocket Money can help you set financial goals and track your progress towards those goals. This can help you stay motivated and on track. Rocket Money is a great tool that can help you save money and get your finances in order. I highly recommend it to anyone who is looking to save money and improve their financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and be well. If you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, click the link below and sign up for a free trial. Rocket Money link. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.